So I know say it's easy for some man make certain utterance and get out it. And me as an individual, I normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me something my mother a million times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And a man now going to take it up on him head to come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say it will just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter have to keep the peace because I feed them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first night. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how me I go address this now? How me I go address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm enough to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, I drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately. I'm gonna tell you something. Could I murder you on another stage, eh? For watching them out, man. I found the youth and a real man nowadays, you know, because trigger finger action no make you a man. Because all we can do them things. And no man no know me from nowhere. If you pretend like say me and them are enemy or friend and I disrespect me. Because I don't disrespect people. So make it loud and clear, say yo. Anything you depend on that, me depend brother, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Cause all when me 6 feet under the ground, it not done. Remember, I might honor me I talk about. Cause I can't face my son if a man go tramp up on my honor. He's a real man. Big up everybody still will turn out for the show. Don't let this be a mar on the whole project. It was wonderful. And I respect all the players, everybody on the team, you know. You got Vybz Kartel. You did everything to make this thing a success. Respect. I'm out.